Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hi, I'm Sophia. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a really simple DIY skincare routine. I'm gonna be sharing two DIY masks that I use pretty often to fade out my dark spots, my acne, and to help clear out my hyperpigmentation. The DIY face mask recipes I'll be sharing in this video are really easy, very simple, and they wouldn't cost you a lot. You'd see results in not a lot of time. Of course, you still have to give it at least about 3-4 weeks to see the results because skin does take time, but yeah, you will eventually see results if you keep using these masks consistently. Before we get into the video, if you enjoyed this video or this kind of content, please make sure to give this video a like. That way I know to create more of this kind of videos for the channel. Make sure to also subscribe, and if that's all done, let's just jump right into the video, guys. Before I put on a mask, I like to make sure my face is really clean so the mask really gets in there and penetrates right into the skin, and I'll show you guys what I use later on in the video. I'm just gonna clean up my face. I'm gonna be using some facial pads. These ones are from Elemis. It's the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing facial pads. That's a lot of words. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. It just has a whole bunch of pads. They kind of work just like you know, using micellar water and a cotton pad. Kind of, that's the feel I get when I use it. So I'm just gonna take one. They're very thin, and I'm just gonna clean up my face here. The first mask I'm going to be doing today is just an apple cider vinegar and baking soda mask. It's really simple, very easy. I like to keep stuff simple because I ain't got time, you know, I ain't got all day. I like to keep it real quick. So I'm going to be using some baking soda and some apple cider vinegar, and this is the one with the mother. Now I'm not sure if using the one with the mother is a requirement for face mask. I don't think it is. I think you can use any apple cider vinegar you have, but I use this for weight loss as well, so yeah, I might as well just use it on the face. I didn't even know you could use baking soda on your face, and then I googled it, I found it, and I have been loving this mask ever since. I haven't had as much acne scarring as I used to in the past, so this really helps, and it's also been helping clear out my dark spots. My face is getting a whole lot brighter, and I'm really seeing the difference. I use this, and I use the turmeric mask, which we're going to be trying later on in the video, so stick around. Now to make the mask, I use 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and I use 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This kind of smells like an apple pie. Not really, but it smells good. This is what we have. This is the mask. Very simple, very easy. Takes you a minute to mix. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the mask. So I've got my face all washed out, and my face feels smooth. It feels amazing. It feels like my pores are open. This mask has a ton of benefits, from helping reduce early wrinkles to removing dark spots to just keeping your skin nice and smooth. And apple cider has glowing benefits, and you guys know on this channel I love glowing skin. So if you haven't tried this apple cider vinegar mask, you need to try it. If you don't want to do a mask, another thing you can do is just try using apple cider vinegar as just a face cleanser. That also works as well. So we're gonna move on to the second one. The second mask is a turmeric mask. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. Really simple. You don't need a lot of ingredients as well. For this mask, you're gonna need half a lemon. Now I'm just putting some egg whites, so just 1 egg white. I'm gonna add about 4 teaspoons of the turmeric, 1 teaspoon of honey. I really love this cleansing foam. I got it from BoxyCharm. All you need is just a couple pumps. I just thought I'd show you guys. I need to do another wash. So let's use 2. And now my face is dry because I've been talking, but you can see how much it foams up, and it really goes in there, and you can really work it into your skin. I really love the smell of it as well. It smells very natural. It's very calming. I don't know what it is about this, but it just really smells good. And this has rice water in it. It's just really good. It's just a really good face wash. It really goes in there and cleanses everything out. I'm just gonna go wash it off. It also dries down as well, as you can see, but once you put some water, it foams up again. It's amazing. Okay, so I am back. I'm just gonna use the same Elemis facial cleansing pads. I'm just gonna use a couple and just wipe around my face. Turmeric seems to stain a lot, so you just gotta be very careful. You gotta be careful with how you apply it. It could get into your nails, stain your nails. When I first started using it, my nails were all yellow. My clothes were all yellow. I lost a few tops, but now I know to wear only, you know, things that I don't really use, like worn out clothes, whenever I am applying the mask. So yeah, I just gotta be careful with it. Other than that, I really love how my face feels and looks after this mask. It just looks a whole lot brighter. I don't know if you guys can see any visible difference from when I started till now. I feel like my hyperpigmentation doesn't look as bad anymore. My skin has come from like nothing and it's getting to something. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of toner to my face using a cotton pad. I'm gonna be using this one from Thayers. It's called Witch Hazel. I got this less than a week ago, so I can't really go into details. I can't really tell you guys if it works or if it doesn't. I got this off Amazon. It was highly recommended. The reviews were crazy. It feels good. It really does its job though. It's not harsh. I don't really care for the smell. It kind of smells witchy. But it has rose water in it, and that's what I was going for. I haven't seen any brightness or extra glowiness to my skin like it promises to do, but my skin is certainly moisturized. It does feel soft even after using the toner. It's not drying at all, so that I love. I'm gonna be leaving all the products in the description box. I'll probably leave the names on the screen as well, just for the sake of convenience. I think the last thing here to do is just apply some moisturizer, and this one is from Fresh. It's the Lotus Youth Preserve Cream. It's almost done. This is actually a night cream, but I'm not going anywhere today. I'm just gonna be editing videos all day, so I just thought it would make sense to just, you know, get the whole skincare part over and done with for the day. That's it. We did 2 masks today and my skin feels amazing. I hope you guys try out both of them. I use the baking soda and apple cider vinegar mask about once or twice a week. The turmeric I actually tend to use every day, except I'm tired, so almost every day, basically about 5 to 6 times in the week. When I was much younger, I'd give myself the excuse of, oh, I can't afford skincare products, so I'd only buy makeup, and then I'll just wash my face off with some random body wash and not even cream it and go to bed. And when I could actually afford skincare products, most of the big brand names just weren't doing anything for my skin, so I decided to switch to home remedies, and I have seen some tremendous improvements. I just wanted to share this mask with you guys, show you guys what I have been using to make my skin glow, make my skin look healthier. Looking good without makeup is some serious flex, guys. We have to get our faces, our skin looking as good as possible in 2020, okay? So if you've been trying all the expensive stuff and they haven't been working, you want to try home remedies. You'd be surprised. I mean, all these home remedies have been out there for like the longest time, but we know they do what they do, but I don't know, it never really occurs to some of us to actually try them and be patient with them to see the results. So yeah, if you're one of those, I was that kind of person, just make sure to give it a try. And yeah, if you do try any of these, let me know what you think. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, or if you found this video helpful in any way, please make sure to give this video a like, as it helps the channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to join the fam and subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.